Hey students and real-life traders from around the world, this is Jerremy Alexander Newsome with Real Life Trading. I do in fact hope you're doing simply sensational. Had a really good class 3 last night, which was called The Tools. If you got a chance, you want to review it, that video is indeed in this email. And probably the most important class that you can watch is going to be also hosted live tomorrow, which is Thursday. And this is the trading plan class, how to build a trading plan. Are you a noob? Meaning if you don't have a trading plan, you're a newbie, unfortunately. That's the way I'm calling it. So yeah, if you are a trader or want to be a trader or interested in being a trader, I would highly suggest showing up to class 4, which I'm teaching live tomorrow, 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, how to build a trading plan. And again, totally free, no sales pitch of any kind. Just want you guys to be there and enjoy the information presented. So in regards to requests that were posted on the Real Life Trading Facebook page, had a few, YHOO, Alibaba, eBay, and Best Buy. So I'll look at all of those kind of along with the actual market in general. So let's hop over to Real Life Trading on TradingView, and I just want to give giant props to you guys. 132 followers, 9,557 idea views already. You guys have already made Real Life Trading one of the top producers on TradingView, and so thank you for that. That's, again, you guys are phenomenal. Sometimes I don't even know how you guys do it. I don't even know. You're just rock stars. Let's go to Qs, QQQ, and pull it up and kind of see what the Qs look like. And again, this is while the market's open. If you subscribe to us on YouTube, sometimes you can get this a little bit early since I'm doing this before I send this out overall. But the Qs is really interesting. So on the daily chart, here's what we kind of have, and here's kind of my anticipation. Yesterday in the trading floor, we talked about a black candle today, and that's exactly what we're getting. We're getting a black candle. I kind of expected a black candle. And the reason I expected black candles, I thought actually we're going to gap up today and sell off a little bit, but I don't think we've retraced enough. It feels very similar to kind of this white candle or this white candle that we got recently, where it was really bullish market and just didn't fully retrace enough. I kind of feel that way as well. I mean, this just is not a healthy retracement for this wave. Now that being said, we could just do this for a while and then continue higher. That's a very big probability in my book, actually, probably around 50%. But I really would appreciate and like, as far as my portfolio is concerned, I would like this to happen. Will it? I truly don't know, but today's candle is a little bit more bearish than bullish, and so my anticipation and our thoughts is if this does happen, we start getting some black candles and then we get some white bullish candles come into the market. In my opinion, that would be more bullish than bearish. On the IWM, yesterday we did actually hop into an iron condor under Real Life Trading. So give me one second. Let me actually pull up that chart. Let's see if I can track it down. Charts, Jerremy Alexander Newsome. Give me about 3 seconds. IWM. Let's go there. All right, there's the IWM. Perfect. And there's the iron condor that we legged into yesterday. So right now, 121, 122 December week 5, 113, 112 December week 5, iron condor, which is about a 20% ROI overall. So both of those are pretty good. Interested to see how that plays out. My expectation, we're at a resistance and we'll probably just grind this out for the next 2 or 3 weeks. That's why we got into the condor. So more bullish than bearish overall in the market, yes. Alibaba has been and is still being a very interesting little guy. Went bearish the other day at 108. And in the morning had some very nice profits, but my target was 100. And we didn't even hit the 50. We got very close, but we didn't quite get there. But this candle, in my opinion, is more bullish than bearish. I do not think we will get all the way back down. We might get a little bit, but I'm going to be trailing my trigger, my movement on BABA pretty closely, and probably exit some of my position or most of my position back around 103. If we do trade down there slowly, my stop was 108. And we came within like 5 cents of hitting that yesterday. So, if I get stopped out, it's a totally break-even trade. I'm okay with that. This candle, in my opinion, is a little bit more bearish than bullish. But again, if we get something like this and like this and like this, we could start getting some pops in the market. I mean, BABA was oversold, but it has enough potential to continue higher, especially after this giant white candle. GoPro. Looking at GoPro, same thing, ladies and gentlemen. Really, really nice buying candle at this support level. It's not a one white soldier. It's kind of like a bullish counterattack type of pattern, bullish, almost bullish piercing type of thing. And this could form a morning star reversal. So we'll see what shapes up tomorrow. But it is out of support, bottom line, and it could be a massive descending triangle on GoPro. And I'd like to see how and if that does indeed play out. Let's take a sneak peek at YHOO, and YHOO is kind of the same thought process. Now, this was a decent retracement that we received, so if that does play out, I am okay with that. That's a 38.2% retracement of the move, and you know, if that wave works out, that's okay, right? We did move all right, but again, my thinking is that we could have a little bit of a retracement in the market, something like this, and then if we start getting some pops that come in, this really could be an okay retracement, good enough to be at least, again, more bullish than bearish. So if you're just waiting and you're being patient, you're being calm, I understand that and I can appreciate that. I'm doing the same thing. I'm really not in a lot of positions right now. This was the time to make a lot of good money, which most of us did, and realistically the last month, that's been the time to, well, not really do that much. Some day trading's been okay, but today's kind of slow for day trading. Haven't taken much at all today. Well, by much, I haven't taken anything today. eBay. So here's eBay. eBay is a little bit of an interesting trade. A good friend of mine, Yoav, he was looking at a resistance right here and going short if we move, get a close below 54. I can still kind of get behind that. That looks pretty decent to me. But eBay, realistically, is just in a massive channel. I mean, that's simple as that. Very, very big channel. It's channel that went boom, we're done. It's in a distribution phase for sure. And if we kind of zoom out here a little bit, you guys can see that we've just been trading sideways for a very, very long time on eBay. And any trades that you do make, you know, keep them non-directional, right? Bear call spreads, bull put spreads, put sales, covered calls, whatever you're doing on eBay. But we are definitely approaching a resistance, and I don't know if and when we'll break out of that resistance, if it'll happen, but we're approaching some resistance for sure. And on eBay, to me, eBay looks very, very non-directional, so I'm not doing any directional trades at the moment. And that's kind of my thoughts on eBay. I'm being a little bit patient on that one. Let's look at one other one that was Best Buy. And there's a few of you who looked at Best Buy and wanted me to review Best Buy. And Best Buy does have some, you know, decent moves, has some good candles. Let me draw some lines here really quick on Best Buy. And let's see here, some support, some resistance, some support. Okay, I think that's enough for right this second. On Best Buy, most students and traders have the perspective that we have a resistance right here, we have a support right here, and you know, we traded up, we came down, and we're kind of bouncing, you know, by the bounce scenario. I would agree with that. I would get behind that. My overall thought on Best Buy is you know, looking at some type of put sale, 35 or 33 put sale expiring sometime in December, maybe December week 5, and that would allow us to make money if it does this. If it does this a little bit, or in case if it does that, we can make some money. And that's a good put sale if you do want to own shares of Best Buy potentially. But if we come back over to the exponential moving averages, you guys can see we did kind of bounce off the 50 quite nicely. We did have some pretty bullish candle patterns the last 2 days. So if we start making some higher highs and higher lows, I think you're picking the direction correct. I would be, in my opinion, more bullish than bearish on Best Buy. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope this helps. Again, at any time, if you have any stocks that you want to look at, you're welcome to post your requests on the Real Life Trading Facebook page. If you want to share it with your friends and family, please do. It's a great page, a lot of good comments. I want to read this comment and leave you guys with this. I think this is phenomenally fascinating. Really sums up real life trading if it could. Never doubt a small group of thoughtful, committed citizens can change the world. Indeed, it's the only thing that ever has. Margaret Mead. I love that quote. Love it, love it, love it. Ladies and gentlemen, we are going to change the world together. Watch it. Watch it happen. I love the energy and the support that we've been receiving at Real Life Trading. You guys are just phenomenal. You're real life traders. That's what you guys are. You're pros. And you want to do this as a career, as a hobby, as part of your life. And that is, of course, Real Life Trading. Ladies and gentlemen, have a great day. I look forward to the rest of the market. I'll see you guys later, hopefully tomorrow in class 4. And until then, remember, love life, live life, and trade it. See you later.